people who will just start, and I'm just inspired that everybody is saying. So मैं कोशिश करूँगी.
Sure.
So everyone, when they write, there's a story behind it. So there were few people, बहुत लोग आए, who are in that age of getting married, but they want a partner and they have a lot of insecurities around them. Few of them think they are not good height or good color, and but they want something. So I just thought this is something I have written for my son. He's quite young, he's just 14, so I've written it and kept it in a trunk for him. So the line goes like that: what you're actually looking in a partner, it's from a mom's eye to a son and would-be daughter-in-law or partner. आओ में एक दूसरे की बिखरने लगोगे. In knowing each other's pain, you'll be shattered. आवाज नहीं भी दोगे, आस-पास एक दूसरे के नजर आने लगोगे. Even without calling each other for help, you will always find the partner around you. सफलताओं में एक दूसरे की निस्वार्थ दाद बनोगे. In each other's success, you will be the first one to clap around. मुश्किल वक्त में एक दूसरे का सुकून और आश्वासन रहोगे. In difficult times, you will give peace and the courage to go on. कुछ कम होगा, लेकिन एक दूसरे के होने की सरफरोशी कायम रहेगी. In life, you might have a little less of this and that, but just because you two are together, you will keep on striving for growth. Sorry, I just forgot. बहुत कुछ होगा, लेकिन बिना एक दूसरे के महसूस कुछ कम होगा. Maybe you'll have a lot in life, but if you don't have your partner in it, you'll always have that kind of a little miss in your heart. सफर में एक दूसरे की सोच रहोगे. In every step of your life, you will always have the other person in your mind. बेझिझक एक दूसरे के आलोचक रहोगे. So without even thinking twice, you'll be the sounding board of each other.
ये बिल्कुल कायम.
I know, I agree. और जिंदगी की शिद्दत में एक दूसरे की गहराई बनोगे. So in life, you'll help to reach each other in that potential and challenging somewhere in various ways. हर खुशी और गम में साथ रहोगे. हर पल को मिलकर जियोगे. So you'll be together in every happiness, joy and sorrow, and you'll enjoy the life together. That's the kind of partner I would like to have.